Alright guys, so today we're going to remove the stock shifter from the car, and I've got an EMPI long shifter, not the bus one, but the 13.5 inch, I believe is what it is. But I'll link down in the description for you. We've got a couple bolts, pull those bolts out and then show you how the new one drops in. Alright guys, so here is the EMPI shifter here. And like I said, this is what they call the long one, which is 13.5. And get this thing pulled out of here and see what all we got here. Alright guys, so here is the full assembly. It's got all the springs, everything put together. It's got the reverse lockout plate, essentially already welded to the bottom. And it's got a little bit of grease down in there, but on the ball, we're gonna have to add some grease to it. And then we've got some 13mm bolts to pull out. And it should bolt down pretty easily. It also comes with this other plate, and it really doesn't talk about this plate, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it down. And I don't know if it needs it or not, but we will see. So hold it on there straight up and down with the left hand. Use your right hand to twist it with. Better, there you go. And pull both those bolts out. All right, so there is our hole. And now we're just gonna drop the new ball. Got it nice and greased up here. I'll drop it down in there. We're gonna line it up between the two holes, get it nice and centered, and then we're gonna bolt it down. All right, so we got the new shifter in place. Got the bolts just barely put in. Camera's gonna go ahead and get them tightened up. Make sure it's twisting to the right, clicking to the left. There you go, you're good. That's probably good. That's good. Nope. You don't want to put too much torque on it because I want you to round them off. I'll do the rear one. Try to keep it straight on there. A little bit tighter. Okay, that's good. And then now, I'm gonna check those, make sure we're good and tight all the way around, and then we're gonna set the boot back down over it, and that's pretty much it. As long as it goes into the gears that we need it to. So, check that out, make sure everything's good. All right guys, there's the shifter. Everything is in place. And I'd like the height of this longer shifter. But being an EMPI shifter, it actually is just a copy of a Hirevz essentially, but it kicks it to the right just a little bit. So it gives you a little more leg room, and everything goes into gear so much closer. I mean, it's a really close ratio. Like I was trying to get it into first, not realizing I was already in first, because first beforehand would have been really, really far forward. Second would be really far back. And the reverse lockout on this thing actually works where the other one had worn out. So it would try to hit reverse going down the road. So this feels way, way better. All right guys, there's the old shifter there. And you can see it's fairly worn out. It was still somewhat working, but the new shifter feels so much better. So this are some headlight covers. Give it a little bit of sleepy eye look. So we're gonna throw those on right quick. All right guys, there they are. I got a sleepy eye to it. A little drowsy. That'll work.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.